What's going on, y'all, man? Today I'm gonna give y'all 3 quick tips on how I've already lost 30 pounds. Although that's not enough for me, man. This is just a start. This is gonna be that video in like 3 months from now. I'm referring to. I'm saying, man, 3 months ago I gave y'all the method. So yeah, man, I got to reduce down to 3 tips. Y'all know I usually just be going ramble, but I decided I'm gonna get some order this time. You know, we improving as a YouTuber. For those who don't know, I'm Jamin Rochelle. I like to be real authentic, real genuine. That's why I don't really fall into the whole clickbait type of thing. You know, I do get y'all with the clickbait thumbnails. But they're simple. And I'm not doing too much. So yeah, y'all go ahead, subscribe, join. I'm posting every day this month. Then I'm gonna slow down and get some more quality videos for y'all. Yeah, I need 500 subscribers and I'm dropping a podcast. 500 subscribers and I'm dropping a podcast. I got something for y'all, man. So if you enjoy this, go ahead, share, like. It's an easy way to get going. Or get my channel some momentum, get my channel some traction. And yeah, I'm gonna get it down to these 3 hobbies. So, or the 3 habits, man. So the first one that you wanna do is you wanna find a good hobby, man. You wanna find a good hobby that is a way that you can consistently lose weight and it's fun and you're looking forward to it. So I'm gonna give mine first. Mine, for example, is basketball, man. I can play basketball all day, and it's getting fun because it's getting to a point where I'm engaged and I want to get better. I'm excited about getting better, especially like when I watch NBA. It's got to a point where I feel like I'm almost studying it. Yeah, man, get y'all a hobby, get y'all something that y'all can really get into. So for some, it might be cycling. For some, it might be biking. For some, it might be, who knows, like even stuff like yoga, just something that every day almost you feel like doing. Like for me, I literally look forward to doing basketball, but basketball is a very high intense cardio session, man. I probably lose 500, 600 calories every time I play basketball. And some days, like, I'll go and shoot around. Like, I'll go lift in the morning. And I love how it's still in me to naturally lift just because I was a football player. So I do have that advantage. And you do have to get in, like, the momentum or something. I'll talk about that later. But just because it is natural for me to get up and lift every day. Hold on, let's check where we at. It's beautiful. When I go lift in the morning, I'll get some shots up or something like that. And then I'll come back in the evening, same gym. I love our Georgia Tech basketball gym. If you're in the Atlanta area, come on in. They're going to tax you for $15, unfortunately. It used to be $5 when I first got here, but come on, it's good runs, it's good comp, and it's a good way for me to get good cardio. So that's my hobby. To be honest, just ChatGPT. Like, y'all all got stuff, like everybody got stuff that we're interested in, everything is just stuff we're passionate about. So just, it could be really, it's something, it's just walking every day. Because for a lot of y'all, to be honest, you sit around a lot because of just your job, you're working or something. It's not your fault, but it's just the nature of it. So you gotta counteract that with walking every day. Like, for instance, I told my dad to just walk every day, and now he started to lose pounds. So it's just simple stuff like that can really make a big difference. And that actually go right into my second tip, is to you gotta make a ton of small, little, consistent decisions to for the ultimate goal. And that really that's gonna have like an exponential effect. Y'all should really check out the book Compound Effect. I can't think of the author right now, but it's a really good book, and it just talks about how, like, those small little tidbits add up. Like, everybody, or I'm sure many of you have heard the whole, like, 1% better every day exponentially gets up to like 37% better in a year or something. And they did the whole bunch of math and all that like literally just getting 1% better. Like, it's not hard to get 1% better. So to that point, like, all the small little consistent decisions, like, instead of drinking that Coca-Cola, just get a water, man. Like, that's a huge one, because y'all gonna think water is 0 calories. And at first, water gonna put on weight to y'all, but that's just water weight. Like, it's fake weight. You can lose that anytime you do your cardio. And water's just good for the body. Your body we are literally made to consume water. So I promise y'all, that alone will get y'all so much further. Like, if you just switch from every time you would normally get a drink to getting a water, I promise you would see results from that alone. And then some more consistent habits, like just walking. Like, for me, like, I used to drive a lot around campus and stuff like that. But now, if it's less than like a 20-minute walk, I'll just go ahead and walk, because it's good for the body. You get to do a whole lot with it. It's good for the system and everything. and it's a quick way to lose some calories. Or sometimes, if it'll be like a 7-minute walk, I'll just go ahead and jog it. Like, that's a cool little way to get a cool little, and because most of the time that's not enough time to get sweating or anything, so you just saved you some time and burned you a few little extra calories. And I'm telling you, those consistent little decisions in the moment add up. I'm trying to think of some more because it's a lot. Just anytime, like denying when you would normally get some candy at the store. Like, that candy is good in the moment for real, but like, is that worth 200 calories of sugar? That's literally the definition of empty calories. And that stuff got a whole lot of bunch of stuff in it anyways. I need to make a video on that. I'd be having a bunch of dyes. Like, it's just not good. Like, and the thing about feeling well, like cooking and stuff, cooking your own food, which is eating a bunch of whole foods, it's like your body feels it and your body thanks you for it. Like, I naturally feel so much better, so much energy. Everybody's like, how do you always have energy in the morning? Because I go to sleep at night and I eat good food. Like, it's that simple. It's simple, but it ain't easy. We try to overcomplicate it. But yeah, if you just do a ton of little consistent hobbies, or I don't know why I keep saying hobbies, a ton of little consistent decisions to, like, for the ultimate goal, you'll be way better off, man. You'll be glad you did. And that really leads me to wow, look at those two good transitions. That leads me right into the third point, which is just remembering the goal, man. Remembering the goal. Like, it's so much more mental than anything, man. It's so much more mental than anything. Like, you literally just have to, because it's going to get hard. Like, that's the thing. I think people be going into it like everybody wants the quick antidote, the easy way. It's not that. Like, it's going to get hard, but like, that's why it's huge to like getting a hobby or a routine, a habit of doing it, because then like your body just naturally knows like, okay, it's this time to do it. So that's why, like, I would suggest, if you're new, set you a time, like your most favorable time, because everybody has a time but their body works best. Like, for me, it's in the morning, but I know a lot of people would be like afternoon. A lot of people it's night. For me, it's in the morning, and I know every morning I'm gonna get up and I'm gonna work out. So, oh my, hope all is well. But you know, you just gotta really envision, like, like for me, I just really wanted to like be athlete, because especially my knees hurting, and I kind of just got tired of being big. It was different for me as well, because I didn't really, like, I could have lost my weight a long time ago, but I had to stay big for football. So like, I was eager to lose weight. I think that I had a little extra motivation. But yeah, that's the true reason why I'm doing it, I believe, because I'm motivated. Like, I have a reason to lose weight. Like, I think y'all gotta get that burning fire to, you know, change it. And like, that's why everybody says, or I heard somebody say this, like, whatever ask yourself why you want to lose weight, ask yourself why you want to change, and then ask why like 5 more times. Like once you keep asking why to that same question, like, you get the real reason, and it just really motivates you to change. It really makes you just want to get up and change. So yeah, I mean, no need to keep this video too long. Hopefully y'all are still engaged and I'll get the same retention time anyways. Like I said, please throw a like. I'm trying to get monetized. I'm trying to get monetized fast, because the faster I get monetized, the more I can put into the channel, the better the content is for y'all. And like I said, I want to get that podcast going. So if you enjoyed this video, please throw up a subscribe, like, or whatever. I appreciate y'all. It's been a good journey so far, and it's still early. This is just the start, I promise. So with that, y'all, man, y'all be good, be blessed. Peace.